It is 9:30. I got the car on the trailer. Thanks to my father-in-law for letting me borrow his trailer. I am heading up to Gordon's, which is more Gearz shop. That's up in Castle Rock. He's gonna help me prep up the frame to get all the suspension and 4 links. And then tomorrow, got a professional welder coming to weld it up. Not that I don't like to weld, but with my skills, topped with a cheap Harbor Freight welder, let's just say I'm not, I wouldn't quit my day job to be a welder. So, yeah, so I'm gonna have somebody that knows what they're doing weld that up for me. So that's nice, but it's luckily Gordon likes to stay up late too. I do most of my work on the car at night because I like to hang out with my wife and daughter during the day. So that's my reason for doing it at night. Go ahead and let me know if anybody else does that. Down in the comments, let me know. I'm curious. Thanks to my good buddy Tom, been a long time friend. He let me borrow his camera. So now I have 2 Insta360 action cams, which is more editing, which I love. Editing is probably the most fun thing for me for all of this. No, it's not. I'm getting better at it, but let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna go up here, get the car unloaded, help him get prepped, and I'll turn the camera back on up here in a few. It just lives right up the road, so I don't have to go far. All right, here we are at Moore's Gearz, mocking up the suspension.
You know, go ahead and do that afterwards.
No, not that good at editing. I'll get there.
Oh, this is to go underneath the ground.
I know. That's what I would want.
Beautiful.
It just breaks in half.
No. Stress test. Gordy's heavier than his body.
300 pounds of Gordy bouncing on it.
230.
Yeah, They're all
Not even a nut on there.
Not the right bolt.
No, I know, but since he's been jumping on it.